Arizona Riders Club.
Come ride with us.
All right, y'all. C-Man T with Arizona Riders Club. I got another rundown for you, something special, nice and clean. I gotta show you this one I ran into, man. Didn't even know what it was. I thought it was an MG, but not quite sure what it is. Let's take a look. Ah, it's a Mini. I didn't expect that one. I gotta give my man some props on that. All right, but let's get into this real serious business over here. Yeah, you know. What's up, D? Purpose. GT heavy. Oh, don't worry about it, man. GT heavy all day. Oh, all day. 392 Hemi. What's cracking? Hold on, we can't go out like that. What is this? 2000 Mustang GT? 4.6 liter? Yeah. Of course. SRT. 392 Hemi. Ugh. 2011 Charger. Take a look at this engine, by the way. Oh no, this isn't the one I wanted to look at. It's coming up, but cold air intake looking crazy. We got the 5.0 rolling with the top down. Kibby with the K and T with the 9. Deadly. When I play a dope melody, anything less than the best is a felony. 2013 Ford Mustang 5.0. Yeah, I know. Beautiful whip. Okay, this is the one I wanted to show you. Yeah, 32 valve V8 Mustang Ford Mach 103. Y'all know the drill. Business as usual. No? Another Dodge. What was it, Scat Pack or SRT? Woo-wee! My man ain't playing games. 2013 Dodge 5.7 liter. Let me give you a little click on the side.
Anybody a spare float bowl for an Austin Mini Cooper?
And I know, I mean, this Chick-fil-A's not open on Sunday.
And the bad thing is Hobby Lobby I don't think is open on Sunday. It looks like something you can get at Hobby Lobby. And Michael's Art Supply? Yeah.
Yo, that was funny.
I don't know, I picked some amazing stuff with JB Wells.
All right, we getting started out here. 01 Camaro Z28.
Representing and go to the burnout contest.
All right, this is one of my favorites, right? Is this yours?
No, him and the tri-
Nice car, man.
The two British cars.
The one.
Yeah. It's rear wheel drive.
Take a look at that. Oh, dang. All right, here.
Okay.
This is, oh man. Valerie, I appreciate you. All right. 1978 Pontiac Gta.
Not an Hobby
Hey,
Lobby.
hey, GTA. Take a look at this paint job. I don't know if you can see it.
On the way, be sure to hit him up now. He may be stopping by In and Out or not Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A's closed today.
Ooh, 350 Z28, man. What is that? 65? 73. What's wrong with me, man? I'm off today.
That would be a biggest header bolt I've ever seen.
Yeah, I should have known better. It's not as boxy as the 60s.
Jacob in the house.
Galaxy Sport Special Edition, my G. Got the helmet. Somebody's about to get burnt up today. I can tell you that much. Number 567, let's get it. Another vet. Seems like we got a lot of vet lovers out here, and ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that at all. What do we got? 82. 86. 1986 Z01. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Very nice car. Here we go. Check this one out. Beautiful. 69 Camaro. SS stands for Save Yourself. Monty, Hood Classic. You already know the drill. Need I say more? Look at those tires, man. Pontiac Solstice. You don't see these up here. Rarely, right? 06 Pontiac Solstice. Looking kind of sweet. All right, back to the heavy lifting. Back to the heavy lifting. '68 Pontiac Firebird. I like that carbon fiber hood too. I don't know if you could see because my camera's kind of janky, but there we go. What y'all think? Rad Time Customs. Nice, man, nice. Here you go. You know that's badass. That's a badass right there. Primer, midnight black, 2 helmets on top. Let's get it. What is it, 65, 66? If I'm not mistaken, they were 64 and a half is the original. Aha, 66. Another vet. Z06 or looks like a 03. What is this one? It says 87, but we all know that is not an 87. I'm thinking 03, 04. Oh, 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 oh. My Roger Troutman voice. Look at this thing. LS2 6-speed 2006 Corvette, 100% stock. Delicious. All right, here we go. We got a new Pontiac Gto.
2021 last
Rarely see these things. I mean, you'll see them every once in a while, but not often. They do have some power to them. Unlike the other Dodges, Camaros, Mustangs, I think they kind of should have threw a retro look to it. I like them to bring it back out and just round it out a little bit, curve it out a little bit, make it, you know, more like the old school ones. Hold on, these guys are talking. All right, let's keep going. Shootouts for 88 and newer only. Here we go. The Green Goblin. SRT, nothing but American muscle. 2015 Challenger, 392. Oh, beautiful. What say ye? Yo, give me a comment, man. Let me know what you guys are feeling, if you're feeling these Dodges. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Z01. Jeez. Look at this thing. Colorway is crying up bananas. 2018 Camaro. You know the drill. There's another vet. I love it. Midnight. 023 Z06 LS. Okay, it's starting to get popping out here. We're getting some runs going. If you have a wristband, you're in, man. Get it.
I confused those cars, I think.
All right.
Yesterday we had an amazing day. A lot of cars. We crowned our autocrosser. Two cars run in the 28-second zone. Those 28 were the fastest on the last 2 days. There's the 33, 197. I still can't believe we didn't hit the 27. We were close. We were super
Shelby.
close. 28-1.
White body
so,
Cobra?
Yeah.
What the
There we go.
What is this, dude?
Jerry just won.
Yeah, I think it's some sort of kit wide body Cobra. Yo, leave me a comment, man. Let me know if you know what this thing is. Maybe I'll just ask the guy right here. Hold on.
2011 Camaro SS.
Hey, is this yours? What is it? I couldn't figure it out. I was like, what the heck, man? 280Z, guys.
Counting LS3.
Thing looks amazing, doesn't it? All right, guys, as usual, it's your man T, representing Arizona Riders Club. It is loud out here, but guess what? It's all for the people. So, hey, ride with us.